Guys, I wanted to show you this Salt and Stone body mist that I received from the company. This one is the Santal scent. It is an Allure winner, so like the magazine, I always look for those for like beauty products. I know that they try a ton, and that is like a pretty coveted award to get, and this one has. It also has like a ton of reviews. Like it's purchased so many times, and I think there's a reason for that. I am not a huge perfume person because I find like if I go into like a department store and people are spraying the perfumes, I get like sensory overload. I love this. There's a few perfumes out there that I really love, and this is definitely one of them. First of all, it's like nourishing. There's red algae in there, so it like nourishes your skin. It's good for men or women, as well as like my daughter likes it. She's been spraying it on her hair and stuff. It has like a woodsy smell, I would say. It's not some like overpowering, sweet, perfumey, artificial smell. So it smells like something natural, like in nature. And, that's what I like about it. I find that to be really appealing. I don't like to smell like that, what I'm talking about like in a department store. And people definitely are asking me like what I'm wearing. It lasts throughout the day. I don't feel like, worried about putting too much on where I'm going to smell like it's too overpowering. I can spray it in my hair even. So I like that it kind of just like enhances my own and, what I smell like, I guess, as well as just gives this like really nice, I'm trying to just, it's hard to describe like a fragrance, but it's like an amber, is cedar. It's not like, it doesn't smell like patchouli or something like that. It's got just like a really nice, like woodsy, I don't even know if woodsy is the right, but like an outdoor smell that I love. I love this smell. I could have this on all day long. Really happy. Again, if you look how many times people purchase it and the Allure Beauty, like you can't go wrong. The bottle is beautiful. It's a glass bottle. I think this brand, we use the deodorant because I only use aluminum free deodorant. My daughter also only uses that body wash and face wash. We love this brand. It's super high end. But at a really good price point. So I would purchase anything from this brand. I really trust them. Everything that we own, we've always loved, all of us. So I would definitely go ahead and pick this up. I'm going to get other ones and hopefully review those for you guys too.